Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors swirling around the tech world about DJI's bold venture into the mirrorless camera market. That's right, a company best known for revolutionizing drones is now setting its sights on shaking up the camera industry with what could be a game-changing product. The vision of DJI. Beyond drones. DJI is synonymous with innovation in aerial photography, delivering iconic products like the Mavic series and the groundbreaking DJI Neo. But the company has never been content staying in one lane. Over the years, DJI has quietly expanded its expertise in imaging technology, experimenting with handheld devices, gimbals, and even high-end professional systems like the Ronin 4D. Now, rumors are gaining traction that DJI is gearing up to release its first-ever mirrorless camera, poised to compete with heavyweights like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. This ambitious step could redefine the landscape of consumer and professional photography. Insider sources fuel excitement. According to trusted reports from Sony Alpha Rumors, DJI's mirrorless camera could debut as early as September 2025. This product is rumored to feature interchangeable lenses, a key capability that will immediately place DJI in direct competition with established players in the industry. DJI's ownership of Hasselblad, the legendary camera brand renowned for its premium medium format cameras like the Hasselblad X2D 100C, makes this rumor even more credible. Could DJI leverage Hasselblad's imaging expertise to deliver a mirrorless camera that combines cutting-edge optics with DJI's signature engineering prowess? What to expect? Innovation meets simplicity. If DJI's history is any indication, this camera could bring disruptive innovation to a market ripe for change. Current mirrorless cameras, while powerful, often suffer from dated menus, limited connectivity, and clunky workflows. Here's where DJI could make a splash. User-friendly menus and design. Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian design philosophy has been widely praised for its clean, intuitive interfaces. Incorporating this design ethos into a DJI mirrorless camera could set it apart from competitors like Sony's A7 series. Enhanced connectivity features. DJI's expertise in wireless tech could be a game-changer. Imagine a camera that seamlessly integrates with smartphones, enabling quick file transfers without the need for SD cards or adapters. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi MIMO technologies, DJI could rival connectivity giants like Leica's SL3 series. Internal storage and cloud integration. DJI's experience with large internal storage in drones, such as the Mavic 3, could translate into a mirrorless camera with substantial internal memory. Additionally, the inclusion of eSIM technology could allow photographers to back up their media directly to cloud storage, eliminating the fear of data loss. Bridging the gap. Smartphones and cameras. Modern creators demand cameras that merge the best of traditional photography with the convenience of smartphones. DJI could address this by creating a camera with streamlined interfaces, simplifying the transition for smartphone users. Compact, intuitive designs. Drawing inspiration from the popular DJI Pocket series. Real-time sharing options. Allowing creators to instantly upload content to social media platforms. A lens ecosystem to watch. A standout feature of any successful mirrorless camera is lens compatibility. DJI has already shown its ability to develop versatile lens systems with the Ronin 4D, which supports DL lenses alongside L-mount, E-mount, and EF mount glass. A DJI mirrorless camera with extensive third-party lens compatibility could attract professionals and enthusiasts alike. Moreover, if DJI develops its line of affordable, high-quality lenses, it could deliver exceptional value compared to competitors' often pricey options. The challenge is ahead. While the potential is thrilling, entering the mirrorless camera market won't be without hurdles. Competitive landscape. Breaking into a market dominated by Sony, Canon, and Nikon will require DJI to deliver not just innovation but also reliability. Balancing cost and features. Advanced technologies like internal storage and eSIM integration could drive up costs, making it crucial for DJI to strike the right balance between affordability and innovation. Building consumer trust. Existing giants are supported by decades of legacy and loyal customer bases. DJI will need to build credibility quickly to gain traction in this space. Why this matters? A DJI mirrorless camera isn't just about competition. It's about evolution. By addressing long-standing pain points like complex menus, poor connectivity, and limited lens options, DJI could redefine the camera market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring content creator, a camera from DJI could simplify workflows, enhance creativity, and make high-quality photography more accessible than ever before. The wait for September. The buzz surrounding this rumored launch is undeniable. If DJI can deliver on these expectations, September 2025 might just mark a turning point in the imaging industry. With their proven track record of innovation, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. What features would you want to see in a DJI mirrorless camera? Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development and all things tech.